Alfonso here from Atlantic Marine in beautiful Miami Beach, Florida on another beautiful repower. This is a 30-foot Hydra-sport that got repowered with twin 300 Suzukis. These are 25-inch shafts. They only come fly-by-wire, of course, and the customer, his steering was good, so we reused the C-Star steering. Customer brought us the boat. We de-rigged the boat, rigged it with the new Suzuki. So if you come to the console, you're gonna see exactly what comes included. You got the control box. You got the SMG gauges for each motor. You got the push start and the key switch. So if your boat needs new outboards, give us a call, 305-826-2202. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below on our YouTube channel, Atlantic Marine Store. See you guys out there.